step back and get us back on track. Mistakes that I made are the gifts that keep giving. There's never a right time, except maybe this time. There's always something less than what I thought we had before. Like always, I'm blown away. But right now, I feel the need for something more. 'Cause there's always right now. I'm not gonna let the emotions take over. This probably won't end well, but maybe I can't tell.